Oh yeah, I'm glad you found this page for the Joyful Breathing Bootcamp. What does that mean? This is a workshop on Zoom called Erasing Your Anxiety and Calming Your Kids. So if you are locked down having to work and homeschool, this is for you. It's also for you if you are a laughter leader or teacher of any kind, to bring you a more diverse way of playfully engaging the breath in your sessions. And if you're a hypnotist, you're going to find great value in this too, because, well, laughnosis. I'll just leave it at that. You can read more on this page. The Erasing Your Anxiety and Calming Your Kids workshop is coming up May 23rd. It's on Zoom. Be there live. You'll have access to the replay as well, plus all the other bonuses that are mentioned on this page as well. So if you have questions, contact me. Otherwise, I'd really love to see you on the Joyful Breathing Bootcamp, Erasing Your Anxiety and Calming Your Kids.